Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, if PQ is a tangent at point C to a circle with center O, if AB is a diameter and angle CAB equals to 30 degree, find angle PCA. Consider one circle here with center at O, and we have given here that PQ is a tangent to that circle which touches that circle at point C. Here also we have given that AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. Join this OC, AC and BC here. Here angle in semicircle is right angle triangle. Is right angled triangle. Therefore, angle ACB equals to 90 degree. In triangle BAC, angle CAB plus angle ACB plus angle CBA, that is sum of all the angles of the triangle, is 180 degree. Here we have given angle CAB is 30 degree. Angle ACB is right angle triangle, so it is 90 degree plus angle CBA equals to 180 degree. We have given here angle CAB equals to 30 degree. So from this, angle CBA equals to 180 degree minus 30 degree plus 90 degree means 120 degree. So angle CBA equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree. So it is 60 degree. Now angle PCA equals to angle CBA, as angles in the alternate segment these are the angles in the alternate segment, so these angles are equal. So here angle PCA equals to angle CBA, measure of angle CBA we found it as 60 degree. So angle PCA becomes 60 degree. Angle PCA equals to 60 degree. Hence, measure of angle PCA is 60 degree. From given options, we have option B as 60 degree.